Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh, and this is a squash and caramelized onion flatbread. These are so good. So every meal comes in a little paper bag, it's labeled, and then all the ingredients are inside. And there's normally a little bit of chopping and dicing, but not too much. I was super excited because the squash was already chopped. So that saved me some time. But the first thing I did is I took half of the thyme and put it in a bowl, and I mixed that with the ricotta. I also added some salt and pepper and a couple teaspoons of olive oil. Mix that up really well and set that aside. I also chopped up the onion that you could see in the background. Melted some butter, added the onions. And I cooked those for quite some time. I'll put the full recipe below in the description box. It's one of the things I love about HelloFresh. You ever want to try to make one of the meals at home, you can. The recipes are free online. On my roasting dish, I added my squash, the rest of my thyme, salt, pepper, and olive oil, and gave that a mix and roasted that in the oven. By that time, my onions were done, so I added a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of the balsamic glaze that they gave. It was super thick, so it took forever to get out. But I added that to the onions and mixed it around really well and continued to cook that. And when that was done cooking, I turned off the heat. And then I was ready to assemble my flatbreads. So I divided the ricotta mixture evenly, spread it out, try to make sure all the corners had some on there. Then I added the onions. And then the squash. And then some cheese. So I've made tons of flatbreads from them before. They never give you much cheese, so it never tastes like a traditional pizza, but honestly, way better than any traditional pizza, I think. So good. There's just so much flavor from the other ingredients. Then when it's done cooking, you can sprinkle it or drizzle it with some more glaze and then cut it up, and it is ready to eat. And I could seriously eat this every single day and probably never be tired of it. It was that good. If you guys are interested in trying HelloFresh, I do have a promo code below and a link in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.